Amazon Prime Day deals on inverters and solar panels. I put up a poll yesterday asking you guys what deals you'd be most interested in, and literally all the results were neck and neck in all the categories, so I'm going to help you find deals in all the categories. And by the way, this video is 100% non-sponsored. It's 100% me just trying to help you find sweet deals during these Prime Days. Let's start out with solar panels. Hands down, my favorite glass solar panels that you can buy on Amazon are on sale right now, and this is a legit price drop. Usually they're over 300 bucks, so $280 basically. These solar panels are insane. I'm going to leave a link to the full video review I did on them. They're first the perfect voltage to pair with portable power stations, and then second, they're highly efficient. They are constantly outputting literally their rated output, sometimes even more than their rated output, which is very unusual for solar panels. Usually they're below their rated output. And then these are on sale as well. These are from Callsun as well. They're their new 450 watt panels. This is the 2-pack, so 900 watts total. For solar panels that big that ship to your door for free, 700 bucks, that is a pretty darn good deal for small quantities of online, like full residential size solar panels. Then if you need a folding portable panel, you need to check out the Zoupw panel. The 350 watt panel is on the best sale right now. Usually they're around like $1 a watt, just because they're folding portable type panels, right? But this is actually less than $1 a watt right now, which is really good. Their most popular folding portable panel is a little bit on sale. I'm not going to call it an amazing sale, but it is slightly on sale from where I typically see it. And if you haven't experienced a Zoupw panel yet, you need to. If you take trips on the road, go camping, whatever, hands down, they are the best folding portable panel solution on the market right now. I'll leave links to some of my review videos of them so you can see just how well they work. And then the best deal in the solar world requires you to either be living in the state of Utah or be coming through the state of Utah on a trip or something like that, and you can take advantage of my local solar panel supplier. I mean, come on, a 570 watt bifacial solar panel, 104 bucks. That is ridiculous. And you can usually pick them up tax-free as well. So anyway, they've got a whole selection of different panels. They just buy gluts of solar panels by the pallet and then sell them directly to people who want to come and pick them up. They do offer shipping, but shipping is insanely expensive for large solar panels like this. So that's why I say you either need to live in Utah so you can just drive there and pick them up, or be traveling through so you can just stop by and pick them up while you're traveling through. But you're going to be hard pressed to beat these prices, especially once you get my coupon code. You can see this is normally $110. You add my coupon code, and that saves you quite a few dollars per panel. Multiply that by 10 panels. That's pretty considerable saving. So anyway, definitely check out PayOff Solar. And speaking of PayOff Solar, if you need an inverter like this 12,000 XP right here, or any EG4 product, whether it be the FlexBoss or the GridBoss or one of the PV units, you need to order it from PayOff Solar. And the EG4 products, PayOff Solar can ship anywhere in the United States. So let me give you a price comparison so you can see. Once you get my coupon code added in, out the door, you're going to pay $1,871.50. That's tax-free and free shipping anywhere in the continental United States. Contrast that with Signature Solar. If you were to buy the 12,000 XP right now, your subtotal would be $1,899. Then they're going to charge you shipping of $186.20. That's the cheapest option right now. Plus then tax on top of that. And so you're going to end up paying $2,227.74 versus $1,871. So massive difference there. And the savings just gets broader as you add more stuff. So say you order an inverter and a GridBoss and an EG4 battery or something like that. Buying it from PayOff Solar is going to save you a substantial amount of money with my coupon code, no tax, and the free shipping benefit. So regardless of where you live, take advantage of PayOff Solar for any EG4 products. I have the 12,000 XP. I absolutely love it. It is a fantastic inverter. But on that note, there is an alternative option that is even less expensive. And that's this new unit from WattCycle. This is their 12,000 watt. Technically, it's an off-grid inverter, so that hybrid naming is a little bit confusing. But it accepts 24,000 watts of solar and is a very capable inverter. It does not have a 100 amp pass-through like the 12,000 XP. It also doesn't have the smart load breaker like the 12,000 XP. It's a little louder than the 12,000 XP, and it doesn't have quite as good of load imbalance tolerance compared to the 12,000 XP, but it is actually just a rebranded SRNE inverter, which are pretty good and reliable. And in my full review video, I actually opened the thing up and you guys can take a look, inside at the internals and stuff. It's pretty well built for the price you pay. And right now I have a code for WattCycle that is TRICK, and that's going to save you 8 to 10% off your order. Adding that code knocks almost 150 bucks off the price of the inverter. So even once you add, some tax back in, it's still less than the 12,000 XP by multiples of hundreds of dollars. So I think it's a very compelling offering if budget is of the utmost importance to you. It's a really good bang for your buck. Please comment, you guys, and let me know what deal you end up picking up. That way I can get that feedback and learn, what kind of deals resonated most with my audience, and I can make them an even more tailored fit the next time there's a big sale happening. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe on your way out, and stay tuned for more epic content coming up. Stay safe, and we'll catch y'all next time.